If you feel lost in the forex market and you don't know what to look, what to trade, or which pair you want to trade in a certain day, kindly watch this video to the end, because I'll be giving you a secret on how to overcome that feeling of feeling you're lost and you don't know what to do. So guys, in this video I want to give you step-by-step procedure or something that you can do when you don't know what to look, you don't know even which pair to trade. So let's continue with the video. So in this video I want you write down 5 pairs, and I'll tell you why I've picked the 5 pairs. I'll start with GBP card. I'll give you you will look, when you don't know what to trade, go to GBP card, and then the other one is USD card, and then the other one is Euro AUD, the other one is GBP AUD, and the last one is GBP NSD. These 5 pairs, if you don't know what to start or how to start your day, I will highly suggest that you look into these pairs. Why? Because there's something I will teach you and it will be very profitable if you follow to the end. So when you have, let me space them out. Let's space them out. So I hope you have written this pair down, and sometimes you come to the chart and you don't know what to look, because let me tell you what happens. Many people are used to trade Euro USD, GBP USD, AUD USD, and then when those markets are not moving, they get to a place where they feel stuck. So I want to give you other 5 currencies that you can trade as you wait for your major pairs to give you opportunity. Why have I chosen the 5 pairs? Why have I chosen GBP card, USD card, Euro AUD, GBP AUD, and GBP NSD? Because they do one thing. They have one thing in common, and that is they are very volatile, but they don't move when people want them to move. These pairs, they don't just move. So if you just come in, if you say I trade GBP card, that's my best pair every day, you'll be disappointed. Why? Because it does not move when you want it to move. It moves when everyone is not looking at it. So I want to give you even a way of having a structure that will guide you, and in this case we'll use daily time frame. So one thing that GBP card and USD card have in common is when you buy GBP card, you come here and buy USD card. You see, USD card and GBP card, they move the same. Why? Because the card here is the quote, and USD card here is the quote. All you need to know is if you have one setup of GBP card, you can automatically do the other trade on USD card. And then the other 3, if you buy Euro AUD, GBP AUD will be buying, GBP NSD will be buying. If you sell Euro AUD, GBP AUD will be selling, and GBP NSD will be selling. They move in opposite, they move in the same direction. And this is what I give you guys. If let's say you have a good setup on GBP card and you're not even aware what USD card will do, automatically you'll know this thing, because they move the same, you will have a good setup. So let me give you let's start with GBP card. This is what you do when you don't have anything, when you don't have anything to trade and you feel lost. Let me show you quickly. So you will open your chart. You will open your chart like that. This is GBP card. Go to daily and try to see. I've told you these pairs, they don't move when people want them to move, but they are very profitable. So what you do, you just analyze this pair, and you can only do something as you can only execute when it has done what you have said. So you'll go to daily. We can see buyers have been trying to push this market from here, but we have seen sellers coming in, and the last candle is this doji that buyers were unable to push that market. So all you need to do at this moment, you'll come and pick your box. You can see that doji, you just put like that. So you'll say, I don't trade GBP card, but I wouldn't mind if this box is broken on the upward side to get in a buy position, or it is broken on downside to get on a sell position. And this analysis, the market has to break with daily candle. So when you have something on a side, like a pair on a side that you trade. Maybe you trade this pair on a side. You don't trade it every day. You will get that chance because you will not be in a wrong direction. So you'll get an opportunity very quickly rather than someone who is forcing in trades. So even if you go to 4 hours, you can see the market has been in one place. You can see the market has been in one place. It's not moving. So what we mean is that this market eventually will break this box, and that's where you come in. So even if you don't have something to trade that day, and then you go to GBP card, and then you put this, you don't want to trade it that time because there's no opportunity. You'll put that box and say, if I come every day and I see maybe a certain day the box has been broken on the upward, I will enter buy. If it is broken on the downside, I'll enter sell. So let's continue to USD card. Let's continue to USD card. So here is USD card. Again, go to daily. You can see this. I've told you they move the same direction, and that's the beauty of it. So you'll pick that doji, you put it in a box, and then you're not in a hurry to place any trade. Remember, you feel lost, you don't know what to do, just put that box and again say, if the market break my zone, let me put that box. If the market break my zone, I'm entering buy. If it breaks my zone, I'm entering buy. If it breaks here on the downside, I'm entering sell. So at this moment, you are not forcing any trade. Let's go to Euro AUD. I've told you Euro AUD, GBP AUD, and GBP NSD, they move the same direction. So if I delete all what I've done and go to daily, you can see the red candle is what you had on Friday. So this is what the sellers tried to push the market down, but they were unable. So you'll come here and say, if I participate in this market, if it breaks on the upside, I'm entering buy. If it breaks on the downside, I'm entering sell. And this is very easy. Remember, the market can consolidate here for a whole week. That helps you in one thing. It helps you fast. You will not be tempted. You'll not be tempted to come in and sell when the market has not broken the box. So it helps you. It prevents you from wrong entry. And remember, these pairs, you don't even trade them. So this is what you do. You only use one time frame, daily time frame. Now let's go to GBP AUD. GBP AUD, you can see buyers have been trying to come in, and you can say on Friday, this is what I saw. I saw buyers coming in and they were unable to push that market forward. So what does that mean? What does that tell me? What does this mean? It means if this market breaks that box, the buyers have control over this week. If they don't and sellers break this box, I have a chance to sell. It's that easy when you want to trade pairs that you have never paid attention, and there won't be any pressure. So again, GBP NSD, you can see this big momentum that was left here on Friday. You can see if today we can have even a trade GBP NSD, you can see it is almost breaking that box. If it breaks that box, you can enter buy. If it breaks below, you can enter sell. And I've given you 5 good pairs when you don't have anything to trade. And the good thing, these pairs, even if it moves 10-20 pips, they are very, very profitable. These pairs, they are very, very profitable. Even if they move how many pips, 10 pips, they are very, very profitable. So guys, that was my video. If you like this video, don't fail to give it a big thumbs up, and comment down below if you'll be observing these pairs and if you'll be getting chances to get in. Thank you so much. Until next time, bye bye.